talk about how can you enable reports notifications on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click on profile. So when you just click on profile, it's going to take you to your profile here. So then you go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click on settings. Then it's going to take you to settings list here. Just go down here. Then you click here on notifications filter here. Then you come to this list here. You go down. So then you can merge your reports. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us as mail reports notifications enable with us now. Then you go above save, click on it, and it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.